In the last 7 or 8 years, the university has dedicated over £300 million to a campus development plan. Brunel Business School is housed in the brand new Eastern Gateway building. This is the latest addition to the university's development of its master plan at Uxbridge. It's 4 stories, and on the ground floor there is the Brunel Business School student reception. It's also the main reception for the university campus. It has a coffee bar and cafeteria. It has the Beldam Gallery, which is the university's art collection and gallery. And it has a 400-seat lecture theatre, which is also reconfigurable, and the whole ground floor can become a fantastic conference facility for use by the business school or anyone else in the university who needs it. All in all, this is the crowning glory, shall we say, of a 15,000 student complex nestling on the outskirts of London. As you would expect from a research-intensive university, it has a comprehensive library including a collection of research journals and books for students. It has an excellent computing infrastructure, which includes 24-hour study rooms, and the library itself also houses an assistive technology centre for the use of disabled students and staff. The university also boasts excellent student facilities, and the same buildings that house the Students' Union also have bars, restaurants, a nightclub and a variety of commercial outlets and shops. The university has a very large set of halls of residence on campus, including a brand new residential village. It in fact brings the total accommodation for students on site to over 4,500 rooms, and the university can guarantee first-year students and the undergraduates a room on campus if they wish. The university has superb sports facilities and prides itself on the sporting prowess of its staff and its students. It's got UEFA class football facilities just over the road from the main campus. It also has an indoor athletics centre, including a competition class 100-metre indoor running track. And here you might have seen such characters as Usain Bolt and the Jamaican sprint team training prior to the 2012 Olympics.